Are you struggling to write an effective literature review? You're not alone. Many students face challenges in this crucial academic task. In this video, we will explore these challenges and how to overcome them. First, let's define what a literature review is. It summarizes existing research on a topic. The goal is to connect past studies to your current research. But often, students miss this connection. One common issue is failing to synthesize literature. Instead of analyzing, students just list studies one by one. This results in a disjointed review that lacks coherence. Another major problem is poor presentation. A literature review should flow logically. When it does not, readers can get confused. Use clear headings and structured paragraphs to help. Now, let's talk about relevance. Students sometimes read unnecessary literature. Focus on studies directly related to your research question. Doing so saves time and strengthens your review. Documentation is also crucial. Many forget to take notes while reading. This leads to forgetting important points. Always jot down key ideas and their sources. Critique is an essential element too. Many researchers fail to critically analyze studies. Don't just accept findings, question them and assess their validity. This enhances your review's quality. Using recent studies is vital. While older studies have value, you must include current research. Trends and discoveries change rapidly in many fields. Stay updated to avoid a shallow review. Lastly, accessibility is a significant challenge. Some researchers struggle to obtain the latest articles. This limitation can hinder the depth of your review. Explore online databases or university resources for access. To summarize, effective literature reviews require clear connections, coherence, relevance, and critique. Take notes and utilize current research to strengthen your work. Now that you understand the challenges, take action. Start implementing these strategies in your literature review. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tools.